Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so hold on a minute.
Okay.
Okay, let me get the right load because I grabbed the wrong load. Hold on a minute. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so... Alright, so this load actually is going to be ready tonight at 1800 hours. It delivers on the 3rd at 10 a.m., which is an appointment. The line haul is, we're looking at, the line haul is 5,700. The fuel is .33, which is $7.95. And in your dispatch, we'll have a note there that we'll put an extra $100, 100% for your to your truck.
Okay, all right. So hold on. So what you said, it's actually not ready right now?
No, it's ready. Today is the 28th. It's Friday. On the board, it's going to be ready. Hold on here.
Yeah, okay. I see that. I see that. It says 5 p.m. Okay, I apologize about that, ma'am.
Because it's a drop and hook.
Right. I understand that. But I was looking for something like heading out right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to look around. If I don't find anything like 5-10 minutes, I'll call you back and get on it, okay? Like, sorry, like, I didn't realize it didn't pick up to 5 p.m., ma'am. I apologize about that. All right.
I mean, you can't wait for the load.
Yeah, no, ma'am, I really cannot just because of where I'm at. Like, I just got unloaded out of the customer, and I'm over here in Macedonia. There isn't really a nearby truck stop I can pull into, and my clock has already been running already. So, like for me to...
Okay, can you give me a few minutes, and I can see if they can have it ready earlier?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
All right. What is your phone number?
Number 5639.
832-322-5639.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me a couple minutes. Let me ask them if they can get this ready to go, okay?
All right, ma'am. All right.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. One thing you gotta realize, YouTube, is this, man. First of all, I'm unloaded. I'm supposed to actually bounce by now. I'm unloaded at the customer. Sometimes you can't afford to wait a few minutes. You can't afford to wait hours. Right now it's 10 o'clock. They want me to wait till 5 p.m. Now that's not happening, man. We're trying to head on out. We're trying to roll on out of here. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna head on out. Find another potential load. I'm gonna give her like 5-10 minutes for her to call me back. It don't happen, we're heading on out. Heading on out next to the money. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The goal is to get the most, not the lesser. Waiting on confirmation, YouTube. We're waiting on confirmation. We're waiting on confirmation, YouTube. That's what we're doing. The offer is on the table. The offer for this load is like 6,400, 270 wide, going to San Marcos, California. But they're only offering $790 something in the social. So I asked for $150 more, because I've never been the one to get too greedy. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get greedy with it. So but I do ask for a little bit more. Try to get the most, not the lesser, if you can. In other words. So. She hung up on my ass, bro. Did y'all hear? She hung up on my ass. Ladies and gentlemen, that lady hung up on my ass. What the hell is going on right now? All I asked was for $150 extra. She hung up on my ass. I think that's an accident. There's no way I think that's an accident. I'm gonna give her 5-10 minutes. I'm gonna call her back. And then we're gonna continue the video, because I still need $150, ladies and gentlemen. I still need $150 extra. They claim they're a direct agent, though. They did claim to be a direct agent. If that's the case, I don't know. That might not be the case. But it's a preloaded trailer. And I wanted 20,000 pounds going to California, man. I want the load. Because I can do it with my recaps, go to Cali, come back. Whew. Oh, my God. We made it to the truck finally, man. I ended up doing a little detour. Lord have mercy, yeah. It's freaking summer. What are we doing? What are we doing out here, man? Ohio, what is going on right here? Oh, boy, it's cold in the mother. Oh, my goodness. Boy, it's cold, man. This is colder. It's colder than a woman's heart who ain't gonna give you some after you've been on the road for 3-4 weeks. Whoo! Damn it, boy. But anyways, let's get back to what I was saying, learning the art of the deal. So pretty much, this is how I finesse these people, man. I wasn't gonna tell you, but I'm gonna tell y'all just a little bit. I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit. I got 2 phones, right? One personal, one business. So this is what happened. Usually, now this is for the non-direct agent. Now this is the agents. These are the double broken mofos, right? This is the people that get load from like C.H. Robinson, Dodd, and stuff like that, and then share it on our load board. I will call one with my personal phone, talk price, it don't work, call somebody else, then hit them up with the business phone number. And then sometime I will play 2 against another. I'll be like, look, man, I check, see if the load is available. They say, after they do the check, and then they say the load is available. And in the middle of talking, I'm be like, oh, wait. I try another agent that got this load also is just calling me. So give me a second. You know what I'm saying? Put them on mute, like 5-10 seconds. I'd be like, so they're actually offering me the load at a higher price than what you're trying to give it to me right now. Are you willing to match that? Easy. Know the art of the deal, baby. The art of the YouTube, man. YouTube. I'm about to go freaking lay down and go to sleep. So you know what the deal is. The baddest man in the land. Oh, my dad goes that man. YouTube. My videos are real. My videos are raw. My videos are all authentic. You can't talk trucking without putting Chasing Mr. Hamilton in it. Lord, I ain't the only one cold. I'm not the only one cold. I bet Swift is cold. Cause that boy, man, yes sir, yes. Anyways, I'm out.